Hey students, meet your new best friends. These 100% free AI tools will save you time and supercharge your learning. First up, ChatGPT. Need answers fast? ChatGPT lets you ask questions, get study help, rewrite essays, or even generate creative ideas. It's like having a 24/7 smart study buddy right at your fingertips. Next, we have Notion AI. Think of it as your personal digital planner. It organizes your notes, summarizes textbooks, and helps you plan projects. Say goodbye to chaotic study sessions. Then there's Grammarly. Want to write better and faster? Grammarly checks your grammar, tone, and even suggests improvements to your writing. It's like having a personal writing coach. Check out Quizlet AI. Turn any text into instant flashcards and quizzes. Perfect for revision and improving memory retention with fun, interactive tools. Last but not least, Slideside.io. Transform your notes into ready-made presentations in no time. Just paste your content and boom, slides done. Try these AI tools now and make studying easier than ever. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart tech tips.